Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, Anthony Camacho. So I want to give you a Manoa lettuce update. As you can see, my Manoa lettuce are really growing. So for my Manoa lettuce, they grow nice. These are starting to pick up, guys, so you notice they're kind of getting tall. So they're ready for harvest already. You got to harvest these. All of these are here ready to go. Even that, or else they'll start to bolt. Now here's what it looks like when it's bolting. Take a note, see that? That's it, bolting. It's gonna make seeds. You can eat that, but I wouldn't recommend it. Right there, see that one Manoa lettuce bolting right here? Yeah, that's gonna be really bitter. These ones are starting to bolt. If they're starting to bolt like this already, I just pull them out and I cut them up and I put them in salad or food, soup or whatever, and then I eat them. And then here's some more of my peppers. I harvested a whole bag, a Ziploc bag of peppers yesterday, but I'll let you see what they look like there. And then here's some more Manoa lettuce again. You can see, guys, see them bolting. So this one, his leaf is okay. You see this leaf? Looks like that. I would still eat him. Once the leaf turns really dark green and they're tall like this, then I wouldn't eat them. But these, I would cut them out already today, and I will put them in a Ziploc bag, put them in the refrigerator so they'll stop bolting. So then once they bolt, they get really bitter. That's my Manoa lettuce. I was hoping it would make a nice head, but they're kind of growing tall. So I would harvest them and then plant some more new lettuce. Okay, here's my seedlings, guys. So these are my Manoa lettuce seedlings. I saw you a couple weeks ago. I put them down into the aquaponics. You see right there's still the pot. So I put them down there in aquaponics. In there I got black cinder, as you guys can see. So this is what I do. I put them in here so they'll stay alive, and I'll condition them to the water and all the nutrients in here so that they'll grow better. That's what I found out. If I put them in here and grow them, they tend to do better. I put them for at least a week and a half, 2 weeks. Here's my strawberry plant. It's growing, and some green onions that's growing also. Alright guys. Yeah, so I'll do some more videos. If you want to know anything about Manoa lettuce, check out my other videos. If you want to know Aquaponics Setup, check out my other videos. Alright guys, check out my tilapia down there again. So just chilling. But yep, that's how my plants get fertilized, from the tilapia. Feed them, they use the restroom in the water, and it goes right up into my system. I do have a filter, guys, so I take that filter, I put it, rinse it out in a bucket, and I use that to fertilize my dragon fruit and any of my peppers. Like there's my ginger plant and there's some pepper plants on the bottom. I use that for fertilization for those. Check them out, they're growing really good. And there's more baby tilapia in there, guys. Separate them because they'll eat the bigger ones. But check out the Manoa lettuce again. Right here you can see that's what they look like when they're bolting. So Manoa lettuce bolting up. That you can't eat. I mean, you can eat if you want, but see how, look at the leaves. They're really dark green and small. Yeah, they're really bitter, but that's what it takes to make those seeds. Alright guys, and it's just hot here, guys. When you look up, there's my shade. Here's my shade I put on the side. I kind of fixed it up. See my shade on the side, helps protect it from the sun. But you can see my water flow. Here's how much water is flowing. Now sometimes when it's really hot, a tip for you guys, take out your filter in the bottom. Like I have a filter down there. Here's my pump and my filter down there. I take that out and let the water run freely, and then that puts a high volume of water going through. So I think that's what the Manoa lettuce need, because it's so hot right now in the summer. It's just to let it free flow. Right now you can see the water is kind of slow. Check it out, guys. When I take out the filter, I'll show you what it looks like. Just the water get more dirty, but black cinder, that'll filter. That also acts like a filter in there. See, I got four beds of black cinder. My spinach, and here's a tomato tree. I got tomatoes, guys. Check it out. In the aquaponics, in black cinder. And if you guys want to sprout anything, you just throw it down in there like that. See, I got a little calamansi tree. I just cut some off the fruit and then planted that. Hopefully he'll grow. That's what they look like, guys. Alright, you guys, like that video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else you guys like. You guys ever tried Manoa lettuce? The regular Manoa lettuce? Let me know what it tastes like. If you guys ever tried Manoa lettuce from Aquaponics, let me know what that tastes like and tell me the difference. Alright guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again. Thank you.